My name is Patrick Miller. I'm an Episcopal priest at in Texas, and I'm sending greetings to my brothers and sisters and in Turkey, especially my Muslim brothers and sisters. I have served on the Interfaith Ministry Board here in Houston, Texas, and continue to be amazed at the many similarities that I find in the way that Muslims and Christians worship God. I am always pleased to welcome Muslim worshipers into our sanctuary, and I've always been excited to be with and witness the prayers of my Muslim brothers and sisters, especially on a trip to Turkey. We live in an ever-increasing small world, and as that world gets smaller, we need to understand to reach out to each other with a sense of generosity, hospitality, and love. And I believe that both the teachings of Jesus and the teachings of the prophet encourage us to that, to a sense of understanding and a sense of love. So I am honored to say hello to you and honored to be a part of this interview. I wish Channel A9 all the best as you continue a new broadcast ministry of your own to reach out to the folks in Istanbul. I wish you great success, Channel A9.